kiss for you.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing the prank challenge. So what I'm going to be doing is a couple pranks, and I'm also going to be scaring a lot of people. So let's go. No! Oh my goodness! No!
Ah. No.
No!
Holy smokes, snuck up on me.
If you look at the bottle, I'm going to magically make this cap appear. Look.
Why am I doing this? No, you're really gullible, apparently. No, I know what she's gonna do.
Oh, I'm in your way.
Okay, so this is like the oldest prank in the book. Okay, I'm going to do it to Priscilla. I have no idea. Okay, Priscilla, come over here. I want to see if you can do this trick. Okay, people think that you can't take the quarter and go all the way straight, like all the way down your face, okay?
Okay.
All the way down. Go ahead. All the way down. All the way past your lips. Okay, go look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, hurry up. Come on, hurry. Look at yourself in the mirror. Maybe that wasn't a good idea.
Okay, the prank is all set up. The $100 bill is on the floor. It's set up. We're gonna see who falls for it.
Tie my shoe.
That's weird.
Hey guys, so Jamie fell asleep and I'm gonna scare her with Coco. Here we go. Boo!
What is Fluffy doing in my face?
It's Coco, it's not Fluffy!
Hey guys, I'm about to go serenade a stranger. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the ground. Buy me some peanuts. Can I have a lemonade?
Hey guys, so Jamie fell asleep and I'm gonna scare her with Coco. Here we go. Boo!
What is Fluffy doing in my face?
It's Coco, it's not Fluffy!
Tom, you ready to take a photo, yeah?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Yeah, ready?
Palm trees in the background.
Ready?
Don't trust Jess. That's ridiculous. Look at you. You look so funny. So when you just spent all day in the roasting hot desert, a little practical joke like that is actually quite enjoyable.
I think Grandma's been farting a little too much lately. Let's talk. Let's chat.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, Granny! Did you just fart? Did it smell bad?
No,
No?
it was one of those not smelly ones.
Really?
Really?
I just...
Beans always do it.
Yeah.
It was very surprising and kind of shocking.
It kind of sounded like a bomb went off. It just sneaked out like a middle school girl seeing her boyfriend, huh?
I thought it could be.
Viewing parties in the world.
Grandma! Did you have too many beans last night?
I still got more.
This is outrageous.
I know.
I mean, everywhere I walk, you're farting, and I can't breathe anymore. It just smells like, yeah.
Well, it's very not good to hear this.
It's a very serious.
I gotta clean up my act.
Cockroach prank! Hey Dom, do you want some chocolate? Oh my god!
Okay, so Matt is in his room right now editing, and I have a bunch of red cups, and I'm gonna do the red cup prank. All right, you you guys here, all the cups ready to go. Hey Matt, come here, something's wrong with Peanut. I don't know what's going on.
Come on!
Okay guys, I'm about to prank my mom. Come here, I want to show you a magic trick.
What are you doing?
So you see this penny? I'm gonna make it go inside the water bottle. So I'm setting it under. Abracadabra. Now look, it's inside.
Aiden. Oh.
You just got pranked!
God.
So Mom, how do you feel? You just got pranked!
You did get me. You got me. That was good. That was really good.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Zach. You already know I'm here. You know what I'm saying? What's up? Hey. Okay, so I see this prank hashtag going down, and I'm like, yo, your boy Zach's got to get on this. So the other day, y'all, for a YouTube video, I went and bought an airsoft gun. It's not real, I promise. Like, look. Okay, it shoots, but it's not real. And my mom hates that I got it, and she's in her room right now, and I'm gonna run in there, and this thing's pretty loud, and like I'm gonna like act like I'm shooting. Okay, that's bad, but I'm gonna act like, you know, like you'll see.
So stupid. Like, you never should point a gun at somebody. You never know when it's loaded.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Well, you heard it here first, guys. You know, eat your vegetables and stay in school.
What's up, guys? We got Silly String right now, and we're gonna go prank my brother. I'm with my sis. So, yeah, we're just gonna see if it works right now. So, if she wants to do it on me, go. Oh, Madison. You wanna mess with me?
I feel like I can tap.
Oh! I've been shot. I can't get it out. This is gonna sound really good. Alright, we're going right now. We're gonna squirt him with it. I think he's asleep, so. Hey! I just showered! Stop! I just showered though! Stop, Riley! You got all over my wall! Jack, don't eat it! Riley, you know that stings, right? No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. I don't want this on you, Riley. It doesn't sting.
Well, you got me.
Mommy, do you want me to do a live moment of you blowing this dandelion?
Sure.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna pull a prank on my little brother, and let's see how he reacts. Do you wanna see some magic? Okay, I'm gonna make this penny go inside the water bottle. Ready? Abracadabra. Okay, look at it inside.
That was fun. About it went in my eye.
Oh yeah, I did.
I'm gonna do a trick to Grampy. Grampy! I'm doing a trick on you.
Oh, what's your trick?
Slipping a penny.
You're gonna do what?
Slipping a penny for you. I'm gonna make the nickel go through the water bottle. Go down, I'll show you. See the nickel?
Yep.
Abracadabra. Look inside. Look inside of it.
Where is it?
I want to show you a trick. So there's a pound coin here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put the pound coin underneath here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you in a minute how the pound coin's going to come into the water.
Hold on.
Okay, now have a look. Have a look. Have a look in there.
Oh my god, fell for that.